Guys, I'm just gonna make this quick video. Like, I'm not gonna be carving too much in the next week here. I'll be working. You know, you gotta pay the bills, and I'm going over to Vancouver Island to do some beach combing and see some friends. And yeah. So, anyways, this is about this bit here. When I made that live video, you know, it was my first live video. I was all nervous, and so the mad scientist Pete, he offered to help me make a proper video so you can see how this goes onto the Dremel flex shaft, okay? You need a special size washer for it. And Pete even suggested, the good guy he is, that mad scientist, that we can, if you send a self-stamped envelope, we can even make you one of those washers and send it out to you. We'll talk more about it in the video as a gift for you guys, right? We'll talk more about it in the video if Pete wants to send it out or I'll send it out. So I'll give the address of the video if you want one of those washers. But this is really good for your flex shaft for sanding, guys. This fits right onto the normal Dremel, but it will not fit onto the flex shaft. You need to kind of jimmy rig it. I've had my one, it's broken now, but for 2 years, so it's pretty damn good, you know. So we'll talk about the next video. Okay, the next thing that I wanted to talk about, you know, oh, geez, sorry man, it's from my injury. I was just talking to you 2 minutes ago. Mitch, Clint. But anyways, you're in Idaho, and you made that video of the pond. Okay? Thank you very much. I loved it. So, guys, in the next New Spirit video, carver video, or any kind of wood carving you're doing, if you're a new carver, you know, I want you to try and send me to my email, Canadian One Dude. I'll put it in the description below. Try and send me a live video, you know. You can just say, "Hi, my name's Jordy Johnson from Ladner, British Columbia, Canada, and this is my carving." That quick. Or you can make it animated if you got a wood spirit. This is what I really like to see if you got a wood spirit. Think of a name for your own wood spirit, guy, girl, you know, Sexy Lucy or whatever you want to call her. But just like this. "My name's Grumpy Jesse, and I'm from British Columbia, Canada. Exact location, Ladner, inside Delta." You know what I mean? "My name's Grumpy Jesse. I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada." That quick. You know what I mean, guys? Makes the videos wicked, right? Okay, so please do that. Send it to my, my Facebook, guys. Lots of people try and send me messages onto my Carving Fusion Facebook. It's really hard for me to message on there because I got to go through. If you add me as a friend on Facebook, you know, that's my son Tyler there. He's 21 now. That's a picture of me and my friend Ian that passed away. But anyways, oh no, what was I talking about? See? Damn it, I forget what I was talking about. Yeah, send me the, oh yeah, Facebook. Just add me to Jordy Johnson, right? And then send me messages through there. It's a lot quicker. Send the videos through there. And if you're not on Facebook, just email me the little video that you can make. If you don't know how to make a video, guys, a picture is good enough. But I'd really like to see some little videos, quick videos, not too long, because you know YouTube, you're a watcher. If you get bored, you'll find something else, or you'll hit fast forward, and that's not good for us makers. Okay, so number 3, I'm trying to make my videos better editing. I'm going to be buying a new camera. So if people know a good cheap camera, if there's any camera people out there, a good cheap camera out there that's going to be better than this phone thing for my YouTube videos, please send me an email or Facebook or whatever, get a hold of me and let me know. You know what I mean? Because like not that cheap, maybe a few $100, $300. I'm not making much money on this YouTube, guys, and that's not my intentions. My intentions is to do it because it's an art outlet for me too. I have to be creative when I'm making the videos, so it's helping me too as much as it's helping you guys, and I hope it's helping you. Because if it's not helping you, it ain't worth the time, and I'm going to stop making them. Okay? So number 3, if any of you guys out there are music makers, okay, I'm having a hell of a time finding music for my videos. I want to start, you know, incorporating music when I start carving and stuff like that, having music in the background. Inspiring music, not like heavy. My favorite music's heavy metal, like Pantera, old Metallica, old Slayer and stuff like that. You know what I mean? But like maybe some banjo music or something, or some mystical music like wood spirit music, wizard music, but like inspirational music, like the music that I had on my last video that I did with the soapstone carving. If you guys make any music and you want to get it out there, I'd be happy to put it in my videos if it's inspirational music, kind of like that, like I said. Anyways, that's about it. So we'll let you go. This video is getting to be too long, and we'll talk to you soon.
My name's Grumpy Jesse, and I just want to say thanks, guys. Let's see some live videos for the next video, or I'm going to be really upset. And do you want me to be really upset? Do you? I don't think you do.